Hi everyone, today I will make a police car. It's a really simple design, but hey, why not? Simple cars can be fun too. As usual, I'm using reclaimed wood, so I need to square it off first and then I can prepare my lumber and cut it in the right dimensions. This car exists out of 2 pieces of lumber and 4 wheels, that's it. Oh, and 2 dowels of course. All the cutting of the stock I will do on the miter saw. I'm using all different angles. If you want to know my angles, you can become a Patreon on my Patreon page or become a member on my YouTube channel. This little piece was too hard to cut at the miter saw, so I'm using my disc sander to sand it away. Now that I'm working at the disc sander, I can sand all the surfaces smooth. So this was the top piece of the police car. Now I will be making the bottom piece. And this will also involve some cutting on the miter saw. And sometimes the bandsaw comes in handy. Hi, do you enjoy the video so far? Be sure to check out the other videos in this mini-series. And there's also a mini-series I did last year. Same principle but different toys. Oh, and if you like this video, why don't you give it a like on the like button and share the video with your friends? Thanks! Now that all the surfaces are smooth, you can glue the 2 layers together. Now I can sand the sides of the car smooth. Here you can see I made 2 little pieces to glue on the bottom of the car so the axles can go through. I'm combining wood glue and super glue. I do this to prevent slipping. I'm using the belt sander to round over all the corners. And like always, some hand sanding. Now I will be cutting a small block to go on top of the car and I will engrave it with police in Dutch on my CNC. It's great to have a CNC. Now I can add little details like this on all my projects. Some shaping of the sign. It was nicer if it had this shape on both sides, but then it was too hard to engrave. It was possible, but it was too much work. Glue it in place and then I can shape the sides of the sign. It's time for the last steps. Install the wheels, cut off the axles and finish with a few coats of mineral oil. This was Prepare Yourself for Christmas number 6. Did you like this project and have you missed the other projects of this mini-series? Be sure to check out my previous videos. And I also made season 1 last year, so a lot of video stuff for you to check out. In these long winter days, what do you else need to do? Okay, you can make wooden toys or you can watch videos of making wooden toys. And I'll see you tomorrow in the last episode of Prepare Yourself for Christmas for this season. Bye! And of course, as always, let me know in the comments down below what you think about this police car.